Hello, beautiful people. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today, this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete pixelated video files on Android. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable incognito mode on Android. For this, go for your Chrome browser, and if you go for here three dot option, then you can see here is a new incognito tab. So if you tap on it, then your incognito mode is on now. If you search for anything, so it not stored your any data to any tab. So for disable this incognito mode, first of all you can skip this one. Just go for here this tab, and you can take a new tab, and you can do this your normal things. So just disable this one. You have to just go for minimize this tab and just clear this one, and again go for here in a Chrome browser, and it's now off. Your incognito mode is now off or disabled. So yeah, that's how you can disable incognito mode on your Android. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.